Hello, and welcome to another update video about HBAR. HBAR has reacted to the support region on the smaller time frame, which I communicated yesterday. It's not here anymore. This is the larger time frame. On the smaller time frame, I think in the last video we talked about it. I think it hasn't changed. Let me just double check. Did I change it? No. So that was the support area we discussed for the pullback. The price reacted to the 50% retracement, and it took the direct move up, right? So what we talked about on the smaller time frame is that we expect higher prices according to the larger time frame, and I'm going to talk about both in this video. Larger time frame suggests that we have started a third wave. It is not a great chart. I said that before. Someone asked me, why do I always say that? Well, it has to do just with the pattern overall. When I say it's not a great chart, it means it's less predictive, right? But I still give you levels that you can use to measure your risk. And I told you that I prefer the white count, okay? Until it breaks. It just means that, don't be surprised if support levels break. Not with a chart that is only moving in corrective structures. Now, it can go higher, but it's just not a high probability chart, right? But I'm still tracking primarily the bullish count. So that's and whatever you make out of that for your portfolio, only you can decide that, right? But it is just a chart that is going to be less predictive. And I will show you on the smaller time frame what that means. Still, we will get clear levels to watch and invalidation points. So the communication was that we've likely started the third wave with a rally towards 28 cents plus, because this is the 138% extension. We've talked about the idea that as long as the November low is holding, this is a valid scenario. And I communicated a support region on the smaller time frame, which did hold, which would need to be broken in order to suggest that this rally is failing. Now, what makes this chart so difficult is that we're dealing with corrective structure. So we're dealing with an ABC rally. Now, whenever we're dealing with these, don't assume it will do the A, B, C, with an A wave, then a B and a C. That would be ideal, but it might just go directly, whatever. That's just the point of the point that I try to make when I say it's sort of less predictive. And anyway, again, we have clear levels. When pullbacks present themselves, there can be opportunities, but they might come and go quickly in the current market. But that's why I share with you the daily chart in these videos as well, because seriously, movements are fast. So we had our support region, price reacted. We had another one on the smaller time frame, price reacted. We have a larger target area, and we have resistance levels here. But the wave 3 should get here. Wave 3 first target. And here we talk about 28.3 cents or higher. First target. If it's, however, bearish, which it could be with a 3-wave rally. I mean, honestly, with a 3-wave rally, the 100% extension is definitely a key level to watch at 16.8 cents. So this is going to be resistance. So resistance, I could also call it milestone, but there should be some resistance there. There should also be some that's 16.8 cents. There should also be some resistance here at 23.2. They're just common levels that price reacts to. Okay, so this is sort of the bigger picture. This scenario is what I would follow as long as we're holding this support area on the daily chart, which is between 5 cents and 6.9. Now, I'm not telling you we will get a pullback now, all right? I'm just telling you that now with an A wave, which is maybe nearly complete, but we'll see that on the smaller time frame, the pullback could be a B wave, and then we have to consider this the area between 6.9 cents and 5 cents before we then go higher. And okay, a break below 5 cents indicates a break of structure. So then when we're dealing with the smaller time frame, we have here the support area, which I will now remove from the chart. This is what we talked about, like an A wave up, a B wave down, and we were watching for a rally. I've now added the target area, which is for this internal C wave within wave A. And this is between 10.59 cents and 15.6. And the price reacted. I have to say I was watching for a wider wave B, but as I always say, the levels are more important than the microstructure. B waves, as I said, can be less predictable. So they can be sometimes short and swift and short and sweet. And the move up could be the C wave now, targeting 10.5, 10.6 cents or higher. So that should give you everything, all the information you need to know. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.